To our everyday heroes, our garbage collectors, in a world that often celebrates the loudest voices and the brightest light, your quiet strength and tireless dedication sometimes unnoticed but seen never unappreciated. We may not always see your faces, but we see that impact your work every single day. You carry out your duty with quiet strength and unwavering commitment before the sun rises and long after must have gone home. You are out there, rain or shine, heat and all, doing one of the most important and thankless jobs. In our community, you help keep our streets clean, our neighborhoods healthy, and our environment safe. Many ways pass you by without a word, but today we want to say thank you. Thank you for our hard work, discipline, and diligence. You are heroes, not just today, but every day. With my deepest respect and gratitude, Rob Eden of Vidyarkon, Grade 11.